If you want to make money on YouTube just like this, then you need YouTube monetization. You need to get your channel monetized. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to get monetized on YouTube using your YouTube shorts to drive traffic and get your 4,000 watch hours. And when I say drive traffic, driving traffic to your long format videos. That's right. YouTube has just made a huge change on the platform. This is one of my YouTube shorts. And when you take a look at this YouTube short, you probably don't see what's the change, but I'm going to show you right now. If you take a look at this, this is now a link that can drive traffic to long format videos, and I'm going to show you how to set this up and why this is so crucial at the moment. You see, recently YouTube made another change as well, and that change, if we come over here and go to the description of this video, you can now see that links inside the bio of these YouTube shorts or in the description of these YouTube shorts are no longer clickable. So now we need to think smarter as to how we are going to grow our YouTube channels, number one, and two, also strategically how we're going to monetize these videos to continue making money. You see, when you take a look at YouTube shorts traditionally go on to get millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views if they're created really, really well. I mean, take a look at this, 238 million, 56 million, 123 million, etc. in all different niches. You've got fitness, you've got comedy, you've got food, you've got animals, etc. And what you want to be doing when you're creating these videos is you want to start driving this traffic over to your long format videos. And this is exactly the latest change that YouTube has created. And on this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this so that you can get your channel monetized a lot quicker. But also at the end of the video, I want to show you how you can use one long format video, break it up into 10 different videos absolutely for free to drive traffic to your longer videos to get your 4,000 hours a lot quicker and get your channel monetized. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, and I'm back with another amazing video to help you grow your YouTube channel, get it monetized, get your 1,000 subscribers, your watch hours, and all that good stuff. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn that bell notification on so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. So the first thing in this strategy, what we need to do is we need to start adding these links to your new YouTube shorts that you are putting up, and you can also go and do this to your previous YouTube shorts. What this is going to allow is every time you post one of these YouTube videos or one of these YouTube short videos, when people watch this video just like this, they can click onto this link. Once they click onto this link, it's going to take them over to your long video, and this is going to drive your watch hours, it's going to drive more engagement, and also it's going to tell YouTube that this is a good video and it's keeping people on the platform. So how do we go about adding this very simple link in here? So what we want to do, you can do this on your PC and you can do it on your phone inside YouTube Studio. Let me show you exactly how that works. So what you want to do is you want to come over to your back office of your YouTube channel. So if we scroll down, you can see if I click onto this little icon, which is the edit icon on this particular video, and we scroll down, you're going to see that this video under related videos, if we scroll down, I've put in a video. So this is the video that appears over here. So what we now need to do is we need to add a video to all our YouTube shorts. So if I was to do this on another video, if I scroll down, take a look at this one. Now this video is called 5 YouTube channels that make $100,000 without showing their face. So what we need to do, we want to click onto this little link, and then it's going to take us over here on the right hand side. Now you can see that I don't have any related videos for this particular short. So what we're going to do is we're going to click onto this little pencil icon. Once we click onto that, what we now want to do is put in a relatable video that relates to this YouTube short. Now, what I'm going to show you how to do at the end of this video is potentially take this video, break this video up into smaller segments, and then use that video to drive traffic over to the longer video. I hope that makes sense. So we're going to use the actual contents of the big video, break it down into smaller 60-second videos and drive traffic to this video. But if you're happy to create the YouTube short yourself, then by all means create it, and then in the call to action of that video, just tell people to click onto that link, which is going to drive you to the longer video. Okay, so what we now need to do is we need to click onto this, and as you can see, this is now going to pin that in there. So all we now need to do is click on to save. Once we do that, this video now, if we click onto this, you're going to be able to see that if I click onto this, now that video has been pinned onto this YouTube short. So when somebody watches this YouTube short, they have the opportunity to now click onto this video. And if we click onto this, it's going to drive them over to this video. I hope you're now starting to understand the power of this and how this is going to help you monetize your YouTube channels, okay? And I highly recommend that you make anything from 2 to 3 YouTube shorts, driving traffic to your longer videos, which is going to get you those 4,000 watch hours. The 4,000 watch hours is the hardest to get when it comes to YouTube monetization. A lot of people get their subscribers way quicker before they get the 4,000 watch hours. And it's also not that easy to get your 10 million views with your YouTube shorts. But if you're driving traffic to your long videos and you have another avenue by using the YouTube shorts to push people to your longer videos, this is going to drastically decrease the time it takes for you to get your 4,000 watch hours and get your channel monetized. Now I want to show you how to create YouTube short videos just like this, 60-second clips, by using your long format videos. Now there is a software and it is called Opus Clip. Opus Clip is an amazing AI tool, and what this tool will do for you, as you can see, you can use one long video and it will create 10 viral clips, and it creates it within minutes. Okay, so basically all you need to do is take your long video, take the URL, insert it, and this is going to create the videos for you. On top of that, it's even going to give you a rating as to how likely that video can potentially go viral. This is an absolute game changer. So what that means is you go out, you create your long video, then you come over to Opus Clip, you insert that video, the URL from YouTube into Opus Clip, and Opus Clip is going to create these short videos for you. Then all you need to do is upload them onto YouTube. And once you upload them onto YouTube, you just need to add the link back over to the long video. Now with Opus Clip, the best thing about it, if you come over to pricing, is that Opus Clip has a super generous free plan. You can see here that you can get 60 minutes of free uploads per month. Now 60 minutes is 2 YouTube shorts a day. If you're looking at it from a 60-second perspective, there's 30 days in a month. You can do 2 YouTube shorts a day with this software and upload it onto YouTube. So you don't have to fork out any money to start growing your channel. And this is why this is a complete game changer when you're looking at YouTube monetization and getting your channel monetized. Now, if you guys want to know how to get your channels monetized a lot quicker, get your 1,000 subscribers, and get my personal mentoring and coaching, what you want to do is go down the bottom, and inside the description of this video, what you want to do is click onto the first link. It's going to bring you over to this page. And what I basically want to do is show you how I'm teaching my students to make well over $1,000 a day with YouTube ad revenue alone. This is before affiliate marketing, before promotions, and anything else you're using to monetize your channels. So once you click onto this, enter in your name and your email address, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. From here, what you need to do is just click onto this video and watch this video. It's going to explain exactly what I do every single day on YouTube to get evergreen views, which means using SEO to get a lot of views. Videos that you post today are going to continue to get views in the long run. We have students making well over $20,000 a month, and we mentor and coach them inside our private Facebook group, which doesn't cost them anything. So from there, as you can see, we're going to show you how we get these passive evergreen YouTube views. We're going to take you through everything step by step so that you too can start making passive income. And then we also go through and show you how to get your subscribers. This is starting from absolute scratch. Your subscribers, your watch hours, how to build your channel, and obviously how to get it monetized for maximum earning potential. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, or if you just want help to grow your YouTube channel, click onto the link in my description and we'll be more than happy to help you. Now, if you want to know the fastest way to get your 1,000 subscribers, and a trick that a lot of people are using right now, all you need to do is click onto this video right now, watch this video, and you'll be well on your way to getting your first 1,000 subscribers very quickly. I'll see you on that video. Until next time, take care of yourselves and goodbye.